what is subset? A and B are any two sets. Here A comma B are any two sets. Then A is said to be subset of B if for every element of A is element of B, then we can say A subset B. So every element of A is element of B. So every element of A is element of B, then we can say A is subset B. Then A is subset of B. So we can write like this: A is subset B. So this symbol stand for subset. Okay, this symbol stand for subset. So very easy. So A is subset B, then compulsory every element of A is element of B. Every element of A is element of B. We can say A is subset B. For example, I am writing. For example, suppose A equal to A I U. Suppose B equal to A E I O U. Suppose set A is A I U. It is set of, these are elements of A. E I O U elements of B. That's clearly here A is subset B. Clearly A is subset B because of every element of A is element of B. Because of A is element of A is element of B also. Next I is element of A, I is element of B also. Next U is element of A, U is element of B also. So means every element of this A is clearly element of B also. So then we can say A is subset B. Okay, it is subset concept. Simple. Every element of A is element of B, then we can say A is subset B. Okay, so now, so it is subset concept. So next, suppose write example. I am writing. Write subsets of set A equal to, suppose A B. So we have to write subsets of set A. Here A. So here A is equal to small a comma small b. So A elements are small a small b. Then we have to write subsets of this set A. So subsets of set A means, so for example, I am writing first empty set. So here empty set is clearly subset of this set A. Here empty set always subset of every set. Empty set is subset of every set. Next I am taking single elements. For example, I am writing only single set A. So it is set containing only A element. Clearly it is subset of this, means here A is element of this set and A is element of this. So means every element is element of this set, means this set is subset of this set. Next only single element B. So single element B set, it is a set having B is element. So this B is element of A also. So means we can, it is subset of this A. Okay. So next I am taking two elements at a time. So I am taking two elements at a time. So means it is A comma B set. So it is also same A comma B set. Every element of this set is element of this set. So means every set itself subsets. So here A is A comma B. Here A comma B. Every set subset itself. So means here clearly it is subset of this set. So we get first one is 5. Next single A subset of this. Single B also subset of this. Single A comma B also subset of this A comma B. So means here pi and itself always subsets. Pi is empty set. It is always subset of empty set. Here itself means A set subset itself because of every element of A is element of same A. Okay, so it is, these are subsets of this set. Suppose I am writing all subsets, these all subsets in one set, like this. Suppose it is set of all subsets of this set A. Set of all subsets of set A is called power set. So here this is called, this total this set is called power set of capital A. So here set A subsets pi, single A, single B, next A comma B. These are subsets of this set A. So write all subsets in again one set. These are all subsets in one set. This set is called a power set. So power set nothing but it is set of all subsets. Set of all subsets of this set A is called a power set. So here generally power set of A write like this P of A simply. So finally power set is nothing but it is set of all subsets of this set A is called a power set of A. Okay, for example I am taking one more example. Suppose I am writing, suppose set B is equal to I am writing for example 1, 2, 3. Suppose I am writing set B is 1, 2, 3. Just we have to write power set of this B. Power set of this B. So here power set of B is, I am writing power set of B is set of all subsets. So here B subset, first subset always pi none. Pi is empty set. Empty set is always subset of every set, means this empty set is subset of this B set also. So next I am taking single elements. Suppose I am taking single 1. So single 1 also it is subset of this set. Next single 2 also subset of this set. Single 3 also subset. I am taking two elements. For example I am taking 1, 2. Clearly it is subset of this set because of every element is element of this B. Next I am taking 2, 3. Next 3, 1. Okay. Next 3 elements at a time. 1, 2, 3. So here the possible subsets, empty set, singleton sets, and I am taking two elements, and last all elements at a time. So it is okay. So next here see, okay. So finally we get here seen subsets of this set B, set of all subsets. So set of all subsets means I am writing all subsets in one set. So this set is called power set of B. Power set of B nothing but set of all subsets. I am writing empty set, singleton sets, and I am taking two elements. These are all subsets. 1, 2 is subset of this set, 2, 3 subset, 1, 3 also subset, and it is itself subset. So 1, 2, 3 itself subset. So means I am writing all subsets in one set. So that is power set of this set B. Okay. So it is power set. So it is power set of B is set of all subsets. Here just we have to count the number of subsets of set B. The number of subsets 1, number of subsets I am writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the number of subsets of B is 8. So here these 8 are number of elements in power set. So I am writing number of elements in power set of B is equal to number of elements in power set of B is there are 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 elements. So I can write like this. It is 2 power of 3. So here 2 power of 3 is 8. So write 2 power of, here 3 is number of elements of B. 3 is 1, 2, 3. So number of elements of B. So means number of elements in power set. Number of elements in power set is formula 2 power of n of B. Here B is okay. So the number of elements in power set is formula 2 power of number of elements in given set. So I am writing power set of this set. Power set of this set containing how many elements? So this set containing 3 elements. This set containing 3 elements. Then we get the number of elements in power set is 2 power of n of B. So here n of B is 3. We get 2 cube. So 2 power of n of B. So 2 cube. We get 8 elements. So final formula, number of elements of power set of suppose A set. A set is given. For example, I am writing here A is equal to suppose 1, suppose A, B, C, D. Suppose A set is A, B, C, D. There are 4 elements. Then the number of elements in n of power set of A. N of power set of A means number of elements in power set of this set A is 2 power of this n of a. N of a. So we get here 2 power of n of a. N of a is 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of elements in a is 4. So we get 2 power of 4, that is equal to 16. So means we get 16 number of elements in power set of this set. So finally formula power set, number of elements in power set is 2 power of n of a. Suppose set b is there, then 2 power of n of b is number of elements in power set.